Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes, let me take a tour.
Yeah.
It's extremely happening.
Yeah, no kidding.
Always.
What neighborhood is this?
This is La Placita. La Placita de Santurce. You have to come in. You have to check it out. Well, let's go around and
Okay.
come in. It's always. Thursdays and Fridays, it's packed. They have live music. They have everything.
It feels like Old San Juan, but more like
Shannon's?
Santurce.
You know Shannon's? Remember Shannon's Club? They just
Vaguely.
reopened it here. Yeah. They just reopened it here. I don't know exactly where it is, but they just reopened Shannon's Club here. You know how I got this?
Oh, very nice. I don't remember ever seeing this before.
Really? My grandma would used to bring us
Of
here.
course.
When we would buy the stuff.
Of course. I did. Gracias.
Anything you need.
Wow. Yeah, it's like a full farmer's market.
It is. That's what it is. En la Plaza del Mercado de Santurce. Hola. And you can buy
Oh my
Puerto
God.
Rican stuff.
Yeah.
We're gonna go that way, but.
Yeah.
Limber.
There was a store, a Puerto Rican bakery in Lancaster, and they had a sign, "Se vende limber."
Se vende limber. Hola.
Hola.
The typical dulces.
Oh, I haven't seen those in a long time.
Milones, remember?
Yeah.
Remember we used to,
I didn't want the ones with seeds.
in front with in front of Mater there was a little store.
Oh yeah.
That they were like shaped like animals. You don't remember? I remember clearly. I don't know why.
Ocasio and Gorbeta.
Hola.
Hola.
Feliz Navidad. So that's the, I think that's a store. Ah! Feliz San Valentine. Alright, so I think that's the restaurant we're going to.
Okay, good. We'll take a selfie.